Hello, today let's look at these Paul Smith Canon Chelsea boots. These are Paul Smith designer brand. Let's get straight into the unboxing. There they are. Brown suede Chelsea boot. Again, these are one of the earlier additions to my shoe collection. So this was before I knew all about Goodyear vaulted shoes. I just figured I'd pick these up because they were at a deep discount. What else do you have in here? Let's see, a plastic bag. I think these came in the plastic bag. And a singular shoe bag. Interesting. Yep, singular shoe bag. All right, let's get that out of the way. So a designer brand. Where is the stickers? All right, there we go. Okay, men's Canon dark brown. This is a mismatched box as well. You'll see these are listed as a size 8 on there. This is actually a size 45 or a size 12, which is my normal size. I had to exchange them, and they didn't have the original box when I got them from the store. So Paul Smith Canon Chelsea boot. These are made in Italy, and nothing too special about them. I can't really find much on the website. These are a discontinued model, and rubber sole. This is a Blake stitch, I think I've already said, with a very nice hump on the sole here, which is, I'm just noticing that right now. There's a bit of the beginnings of a fiddleback. Maybe not, maybe that's just the shank. Or maybe there is no shank, maybe they just put that in there for decoration. Let's see, get the stuffing out. Yeah, there is, on the insole, it is fully leather lined. However, on the insole, there is a giant piece of Poron foam that you're standing on. So you're not standing on leather. You know, it's just what designer shoes are. They value comfort. You know, they try to get their costs as low as possible. And usually putting cheaper materials on the inside is how they hide those costs. In terms of the lining, you know, nothing too special. This is a designer boot after all, and if you can see on this boot that I'm holding, and this is, I've only worn these about probably less than 10 times for full days, but I don't know if you can see, there's like almost some glue residue right there on the toe, and I didn't put that there. That came from the factory like that. That came from the store, and I don't know where that came from. I have no idea what that is. It won't come off, but I just wear it as it is. So we look at the second shoe. No, nothing there. In terms of the suede, it's a very tightly napped suede. Again, I'm at a loss for words here because there's just no information on this boot. I will say that, and I see this a lot with Italian shoes and designer shoes, is they try to fake a welt. So you can see that they're stitching all the way around here, and it would make you think that these are welted, but they're not. I mean, these, to be honest, just looking at the stitching here, I mean, it does look like there is actual stitching going into the insole when I look at the bottom. I wouldn't be surprised if these are cemented, but I kind of doubt that. I do see other Paul Smith shoes are Blake stitched. But I have no idea why makers try to do this detail where they try to fake a welt. I mean, isn't the whole point of buying a Blake stitch shoe is to have that outsole, you know, pegged to the upper as tightly as possible, you know, to really bring that in, not to have a protruding outsole with a welt on the side here, but I don't know, to each their own. You know, just as I'm looking at it too, what I do love about this boot is that it has a very tall instep, and it goes up your ankle and covers your ankle up here, which makes for a great fit. These, you know, you're really locked in there when you get in. But yeah, it's you don't see that too much too with Chelsea boots. I really do love like a elongated ankle part. Anyways, what else to say here? I have no idea if these were made by a third-party maker. I know Paul Smith sometimes I've heard that they collaborate with Joseph Cheney and Crockett and Jones at times. but I have no idea who made these. They've, you know, this was just early on in my shoe collection, shoe journey, as you would say. I figured I'd pick these up because they were brown suede Chelsea boots, and Chelsea boots were all the rage at the in the prior years. And I still do love them, but they just, I may let them go at some point as I'm looking at them right now, because I do find myself wanting to wear better made shoes at this time. Anyways, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about these or know anything more about them. They are Paul Smith, Ken, and Chelsea boots. All right, folks, thanks for watching.